The combination of helping an underserved population in such a remote area speaks directly to what Waves for Water and Dockers are trying to do.
For 2 years now, we've been in the middle of this aggressive drought. There were no crops last year. People is in suffering because there is no water.
The climate here in Copper Canyon is extremely dry. The entire town is here because of this one water source. The community brings containers to this spring. They fill them up and walk back to their house every day. If too many people take water right here, right now, it dries up.